Hey guys, it's Michelle. I'm going to show you a real quick tutorial about you making an offset on text. So first we're going to open the text panel and choose our font. Then we're going to come over here and choose the text tool, type our word. Then I'm going to make it bigger. Now we're going to come over here to the little star with the outline around it. That's your offset panel. You're going to choose offset. I'm going to increase my offset so that it's overlapping in all places so that I get a good solid background. I think we're good on that. And as you can see, when it overlaps, it creates these lines or whatever. When you hit apply, it will weld it all together and become one piece. Now with the back piece selected, I'll come over here to my colors and I'm going to change that to that. Select the back piece and change it to that. And there's your offset. That's how you do an offset. When you want to put this together, you're going to use the layering boxes and line it up. And Siobhan already has a tutorial on layering boxes and how to use those. So if you want to check hers out, it's here on the channel. I want to say it's just called the layering video. So if you guys want to give that a look, go ahead and check that out. She explains it very easily, very clearly. And she does a multi-layer decal, so it will show you in depth how to create those layering boxes and go from there. I hope this was helpful. I hope you guys, I hope it works for you. If you have any questions, again, you can either post in the comments below or you can ask me in the group. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so that you know when we upload new tutorials and new content. All right, have a great day.